If you're constantly recording video, taking pictures, or using dash cams, having extra storage is never a bad idea. This 2-pack of TOPESEL microSD cards gives you 2 cards plus an adapter, which really makes them useful for a lot of different devices. Each card provides about 28.8 gigabytes of usable storage, which is completely normal after formatting, and they're already formatted as FAT32 right out of the box. So I like that you get 2 cards instead of just one, because you can dedicate one to a dash cam and another to a camera, gaming device, or an Android phone. And they support UHS-I Class 10 speeds, so they're well suited for everyday photo storage, full HD video recording, transferring files, and expanding storage on compatible devices. The included adapter is also convenient because if your laptop or camera uses a full-size SD slot, you simply slide one of the micro SD cards into the adapter and you're ready to go just with that. So one thing I always recommend with memory cards is keeping a spare with you. So if one fills up during a trip or while recording video, it's nice to have another one already in your bag. So that's why I love this 2-pack. Overall, they feel like a practical purchase because memory cards are one of those things you never realize you need until you're out of storage. So if you're looking for dependable everyday storage for cameras, dash cams, phones, or other compatible devices, getting 2 cards in one package gives you a lot of flexibility and makes this a really solid value. So I would highly recommend this TOPESEL 2-pack memory card, and I want to thank the brand for sending this over.